So here in our show we have a smart and cutest sister. She's going to give an introduction. So
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about my name. So my name is Ranwale Jeme and I came to Haflong. Now I am enjoying in Haflong, and also we just want to stay in Songkai, but they are full of corona, so we are staying here for a little while, and after that, when we finish to stay in Haflong, we will go to Songkai and we'll stay happy, and also anytime we can stay in.
okay, Nopui, please tell us about your ambition. What do you want to be in future?
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor.
Doctor. So to become a doctor, what you need to do?
I need to give a syringe, I need to check up, and also I need to give thermometer when other people are sick. I need to give them some thermometer so that I can see them. If it is only F, red F, now that means they are sick. If it is green E, then they are alright. So I think
Nopui,
yes.
do you have any question for me?
What?
Any question for me?
Yeah, maybe. Your name is Fresh Talk. I know.
Press talk. Okay. Can you kindly sing for us some chorus?
I'll sing Jeme song. Okay.
Okay.
Anui Jeme nagaram swa ibego miktan ke hung lelung pe kaluze kan nui paze jele ne kwa I heka ibe lelung mina tale. Thank you.
Wow. So can you give some Bible verse for us? Best Bible verse.
Okay. Efisime proksuruk pudung ketkena ko chungna punaramogo hagwang pergana ning nui pupu kwa persibam lo aize kanje bidase ning pui ning pengya telo aize sahan kai be hing derang be jate lechi desa ning hange iguzai kadege. I know always God, because God is our Savior and He saved us for a good health, and He is our Savior. He bless us whenever we are ill, and also protect us from evil. And we all, first of all, we need to say to the Lord, "Oh Lord, please take care of us whole day and give us good health for this health."
Nopui,
Yes?
do you love your mommy?
Yes. I love my mommy very much.
Very much.
Also, my heart is fixed by love, and the red heart came and it feels so love. Means LOVE, love.
Wow.
Love means I really love you, Daddy, and you are the best.
Some of our viewers who are watching our video, they may not know our dialect. So please sing one song in English. English song.
English song.
Yeah. People who are watching, they may not know. It's English song.
Okay. I am the Lord. You are the most powerful, but I cannot touch the sky, but God can take me to the heaven. I surely did not remember how did you did so bright shine God is doing, and He is doing like the Son of God. So I got this bag, and also my daddy brought for me this bag. So look guys, it's very nice. Now this is black and this is blue. It's very nice, and this is my favorite bag. When I put it, it will be more nice, and also this will stay always with me. So My mommy bought for me from another place, from the super glasses market. She brought this one. She said to that auntie, take this glass and give it to your daughter. When she go to the stage, she will look more fantastic.
Oh, no boy, I forgot to ask one question. When is your birthday?
My birthday is in 10 September.
10 September.
So I'm going to wear this bag. So just see, okay? And just.
Wow.
I can't see so nicely because the light is bright in my eyes. I can't see too nicely. Everything is dark because of my spec. This one is too dark. That's why.
What is the cost of this bag?
Huh?
What is the price? Do you know? Price.
$1?
Yes, dollar.
Only 500.
Yeah.
My daddy and mommy went together. That time I was a baby. That time I was only 1 year old. I was a baby. That time I was crying and crying and crying. I did not like the bed. That's why I only like getting and making me sleep. My mommy said, "Hey, this baby is so
No boy,
naughty."
you're not going to show us how to dance.
Huh?
You're not going to show us how to dance.
Cause I'm a little bit shy now. My cheek is red. That's why.
Please show us some step. Dance.
Also, Barina. Okay, Barina did not have like this back. No, Barina does not have. Please give a comment to us because I did a very nice thing and also I said to you that you are the best and I will show love with my hand. This is the love in your heart. So if you love.
Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. If you are newly visited our channel, please never forget to subscribe. And if you have any idea to say about her, you can just give a comment in the comment section. So see you again in the next video. No boy, say bye bye. Hi.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.